If you're sending to a distribution list, one of our best practice recommendations is that instead of typing in the name of the actual distribution list and it comes up automatically, this is actually using a locally cached version of that list. So if it's not going to be the most up-to-date list if it's cached in your memory. So what we recommend doing is clicking on the To button and going directly to your global address list. This is where you will be able to get the most up-to-date version of that list. If you are using individual or anonymous tracking, if you put your recipients in the to CC or BCC field, they still won't see who else that communication was sent to. So when everyone on the support team, as well as myself, receives this email, in the to field, we'll only see our own name. That is because the PoliteMail server is taking that message and creating one copy for each recipient. So there's a copy of the message that's literally addressed only to each recipient on that list. So that means that you don't have to worry about putting everyone in the BCC field. You can put everyone directly in the to field, and PoliteMail will do all the work from there.